let's have a chat.
Yeah.
God, how long have we been working together now? Ring jacket and the Armoury.
So means around 12 years.
Yeah.
For long time.
Yeah. I think that's the longest I've ever done anything.
So I remember that our first visit
Oh yeah?
your shop
Oh.
because at that time typhoon had come.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
You're talking about for the opening of the shop in 2010, a typhoon came,
yes.
or was meant to come.
Yes.
So.
So you said, how about postpone the opening reception?
Yeah.
But I can't.
Yeah. And then we basically just like fingers crossed. Well, we made a little teru bozo as well.
yeah. Like
Teru bozo is like this little charm you make to prevent bad weather. So we made this charm, and fortunately, it seemed like the charm worked, and we avoided the typhoon. So you guys would manage to come to the first day at the Armoury.
yes.
Yeah.
It's very impressive.
No, it's a nice memory. I remember that time, like, we had just finished the shop and there were not enough lights. The shop was too dark. So we were like running around, like trying to buy lights to make the shop a little bit brighter. Eventually we managed to fix it, but it took us a while. So, Sasamoto-san,
Yes.
what do you love about ring jacket?
Why?
What do you
What? I think the ring jacket has ring jacket has a style. Mr. Fukushima also said about that one. All the time, we sometimes try to copy it like a Atrini or Latino. But now I go with ring jacket original style.
Yeah.
So ring jacket, it means ring jacket expression or ring jacket flare.
Ring jacket flare.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Mr. Tomioka also said jacket with a dream. It's also ring jacket theme.
Yeah. I like that phrase, jacket with a dream.
Yes.
Where are we going right now?
To our factory, Kaizuka.
I'm excited. Are we gonna be able to eat lunch?
I hope so.
Me too. Me too. I hope so too.
A little hungry.
You know, can you talk a little bit about like how big ring jacket is, especially in Japan? Like how many kind of companies use ring jacket, like buy ring jacket for their shop?
Right now, I probably the quantity will is decreasing.
I see. Okay.
But one account is very huge, like Armoury. One account, huge orders.
And your shops are more and more popular too.
Yes. Now,
so
yes.
Ring Jacket used to sell a lot of wholesale, but now it's a few big wholesale accounts like the Armoury.
Yes.
And then a lot of Ring Jacket shops as well.
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah. I think that's nice.
Yes. And recently, the retail price around 200,000 yen of suits are very popular. And many customers look for a good fabric, good product.
And I think Ring Jacket is for like ready-to-wear suits in Japan. I think Ring Jacket is basically the best.
Thank you.
I don't like. Are there other factories at this level in Japan?
So all the time there were the factories, but Now, of course, they close or 倒産、なんていうんですかね、倒産って。
Oh, dang, bankruptcy, huh?
And the factories which is still in Japan, but in my opinion, they have not their own style. Only factory, just factory.
Yeah. Okuno-san's a good designer. I like what he does.
Yeah. Me too.
And the feeling of the ring jacket shops is very nice too.
Thank you.
If anybody comes to Tokyo or Osaka or Fukuoka, like stop by a ring jacket shop. They're pretty cool because there's ring jacket products, and then there's also some like collaboration products with other brands, special order products. It's a nice setup.
I think in the future, I want to collaborate with you.
Oh, me too. That'd be great. Do you have any like fun memories? Like some really? Do you have some really great memories of ring jacket that you want to tell us about? I know there's a lot of great memories, but just whatever that comes up, whatever pops in mind.
Always. So I am so happy to get international customers like you. But first customer is in Korea, reminisce, which is owned by Samsung.
Okay.
It's very interesting.
Yeah, that is very interesting.
Yes.
Wait, reminisce is owned by Samsung?
Samsung, yes.
Oh. Really? The Italian fabric company?
No. Shop name.
Oh, okay. The shop name is okay. So there's an Italian mill called Larasmiani, which is also a menswear brand, but the Samsung Larasmiani is something else.
Yes, different.
Okay. And that's a good memory for you.
And so that is first step.
Okay.
And next one is I went to the PT to exhibit ring jacket.
Yeah.
I was so excited.
Yeah.
Because last time I went to PT just to look for the product.
Yeah.
But I think 7 or 8 years ago, we exhibit.
Yeah, I think that was the first time.
Yes. Yeah. Through you.
I was involved. Yeah. I remember we had a tiny little booth. It was like a triangle.
Yes.
It's like a little triangle. But I thought that booth was pretty cool. I liked it.
But many people, customers, were coming at booth to check our product and to say hello.
Nice. Can you share some sort of life lesson, some sort of habit that you really use every day and you think is very important to you?
I don't.
Not push-ups and sit-ups.
No.
Something else.
Okay. For me, I go to my office around 8:30. Our office is opened 9:30. But I go to my office a little earlier than normal time, and I want to check my email, and I need to respond as that.
How about something a little more philosophical?
The sooner the better.
The sooner the better. Huh?
Yes, always.
Why is that?
Because just a moment. Okay.
We're going the right direction, right?
Yeah.
This is not the road to Kyoto, is it?
So always always we do sooner the result will be I think better ね、とあとその早く行動して悔いが残らないというか、なんかあれやっとけばよかったみたいなのがないようにしたいです。してます。それを心がけてます。
Cool. Alright, Sasamoto-san.
チャレンジ、ね、
Challenge.
チャレンジ
Challenge is also
インポータントね。
It's important. It's very important. Okay. Thanks for the chat.
Thank you.
And let's hope we get to the factory. And I'm excited to see the new samples because there's some new samples too.
Yes.
Right? All right. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.